Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I got a PR package. This is from Double Dip. My last package that I got from them, I actually purchased, but this was given to me. So you guys know I do gel nails with, I should do my dip nails with gel. And when I was talking to them, they mentioned they also had gel as an option for their dip powder. So I was like, okay, perfect, let's try it. So I got the base gel, I got a matte, and I'm assuming this is glossy. Yes. So I got all three of those, which is perfect because sometimes you want your nails to look matte, because I have a color in here that I know would be pretty with it. Okay, I'm just gonna take these bad boys out. Okay, so these are the colors. So we have Fairy Cotton, this super beautiful pink. I'm gonna turn down the brightness just a smidge so you guys can see. And I am going to, I'll swatch them all. Black sequin, because who doesn't love a good black nail? Maybe that's what I'll put on my nails next. Yes. So pretty. I got Best Buddies. Super pretty. I went ahead and asked for a clear, because you guys know building up an apex and all that. Granted, I have gel on usually, so I don't have to build up an apex, but I wanted to do a video on how you would build an apex with dip nails, so stay tuned for that. Sugar Swizzle. Look at that. That is a beautiful nude. I am with some glitter. Do you see it? Oh, I didn't say the name. Fancy Butterfly. So pretty. Oh my goodness, there's even like little blue things. I know what, okay. I'm gonna bring it in real close for that one. Do you see the blue? In addition to like the silver and white. Oh, I may have to do that. And then Charlie's Angel. Which is your white. So excited for these. So I will definitely swatch these right now, but I have to wait till Munchkin goes to bed. So yeah, I will be right back. It'll be literally real time for you, so be right back.
You sound
right, these are the colors without a top coat, and I'm gonna top coat them real quick, but I wanted to show you, this is 2 coats, by the way. So let's top coat them. I turned down my brightness so you guys can see a little bit better with some of the lighter colors. We have top coated. Look at how pretty these are. This is a tack-free top coat, even for the matte, so that is super cool. Not all top coats obviously are tack-free, but this one is. And then I went ahead, how am I gonna turn my hand? And undercoated the bottoms of the swatch sticks with matte, so you can see what they look like matte. Ooh, that was a little bit graceful. I'm gonna bring that down so you can see that kind of glittery one. So, there you go. I think these colors are absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited to play with them. Alright guys, well thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. You got to hop in a 3,